Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I finish off the job on the steam wagon Dynamator, or alternator, dynamo, cross, whatever it's supposed to be. I show quite a bit of that. I do some plasma cutting, cut one of the toy items out for Deb, and I cut a nameplate out for one of my viewers. I need to make an adapter to screw on the end of this shaft to fit into the universal coupling we're going to use. The first thing I need to do is measure the thread. It looks like 12 by 1.5. We'll measure it and find out. First thing to measure is the diameter. 11.9, so it is 12 mil. Then the thread pitch, and I'm guessing at 1.5. I hope you can see that, but that thread gauge fits in there perfectly at 1.5. I've got a 1.5 machine tap, 12 by 1.5, that's the thread. And I've also got a pin here. This coat of it is skip at a SNNC place I go to. It's a piece of A&H steel, no use to them, but it certainly is useful to me. I've got a few of these. I know it's good quality material. I'm going to make the adapter out of that. I've mounted one of the pins into the collet chuck. I'm just going to take a cut of it just to clean it up. As you can see, it's machining very nicely, decent bit of material. Chips are breaking very well. Happy with that. I'm sure the lad did say it was AN8 or possibly AN16. Right, I'm not going to turn that to finish size obviously until I get the coupling in my hand, but I'm sure the coupling is for a 20mm shaft and that's now down to 22. We'll square the end up, centre drill it, and then put some threads into it. Nice new drill, you can see the swarfs coming off equally at both sides of the drill, because the drill has been sharpened correctly. I bought a set of drills that I only use on the lathe now, on the milling machine. They were expensive, but a really good investment. That's not a good drill. It's been chipped on the one corner of that flute there, that one's been sharpening. and it's a 10.5, that's the tapping drill for the 12 by 1.5. Better looking drill, definitely a better looking drill. The set I've got only goes up to 10mm, where it goes up by 0.1, so it starts at 0.5 mil and then all the way up to 10mm. Okay, so that's a tapping drill size. We need to counterbore this now so it's a good fit on the alternator shaft, or dynamo shaft, or whatever you want to call it, Dynamator. The dynamo shaft is 15mm, and I've got a 15mm reamer, which should really help things. It needs to go in for a depth of 25, so we'll put a drill in first, slow things down a little bit. We'll let that cool down because it is warm, and then we'll put the reamer in. Unfortunately it's a parallel shank reamer, so I'll hold it in the collet chuck on the tailstock. I've got the reamer in the collet chuck, plenty cut and paste on it. Run the reamer very slowly. You only run reamers forward, you don't run them backwards. What we'll do is we'll tighten the collet chuck up and it'll probably work a lot better. A little bit of light oil up there as well, just to help it. Well, I would if I was someone in the oil can. An empty oil can's a little bit like tits on a nun. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Right, that's down to the bottom of the hole. All I can do now basically is put the tap through there and then try the dynamo on it. I'm sure it'll be alright. I want to tighten this chuck up enough to grip the top, but I do want it to slip as it gets to the bottom of the hole. Right, then we'll take it back out now and have a look up there. Right, now we're going to finish that off by hand, to tell you the truth. Right, we're just going to tap this by hand now. I'll give you some advice, take that out of there, because that wants to cut your wrist open, without a doubt about it. It is a machine tap, so it just winds straight in and the swarf comes out of the flutes. Right, that's at the bottom of the hole. Right, that's a cracking fit in there. Of course, the thing is now I need to be able to tighten that into the job. Or at least I need to be able to get the thread started. Probably an impact gun on here, but I can't take it out of the lathe until I get that OD done, and I won't be getting the coupling until tomorrow. So we need a way of locking up that armature. Just screw that into there. Bit of a puzzler. Well, that is really a good fit on there, very nice, I like it. I think I'm stuck until I get the OD of that sorted out.